This video tutorial will demonstrate how to access newspaper, magazine, and journal articles using PSC library databases. What is a database? It is an online resource that allows you to search hundreds of journals at one time for published articles. The articles contain reliable information because they are from trusted sources. PSC subscribes to dozens of databases which are available to currently enrolled PSC students, faculty, and staff. To begin searching library databases, click the Articles and Databases link at the top of the library webpage and then the Search PSC Databases for Articles box. To access the databases, you will need to log into the PSC library. Click on the Login button near the top of the screen. This will take you to the library login page. Your ID is the 14-digit barcode number from your PSC ID card, and the PIN is the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. If you are already logged into a course through Canvas, you can click on the PSC library link on the left of your screen and you will be automatically signed in to the library. You can search for database articles in different ways. On this screen, you can choose from databases by title, databases by subject, or journals A through Z. The Databases by Title link gives an alphabetical list of available databases. You can scroll through the list of options or use the letters at the top to help you navigate more efficiently. Click on the information symbol for more information about a specific database. The Databases by Subject link takes you to a list of general categories. Click on the plus sign beside a category to open up a list of relevant databases in that subject area. Notice in the screenshot on the right that the subject Health and Medicine has been expanded to show a list of helpful databases. The Journals A through Z link lets you jump to journals based on the first letter of the title. This could be helpful if you already know the name of a particular journal needed for your research. You can also expand on the topics at the bottom of the page to see what journals are available in these areas. Each database has its own format, but many have similar features such as full text options, peer-reviewed articles, and search limiters for publication dates. Academic Search Complete is a good general-purpose database which may be helpful for many courses. If you're writing an argumentative essay, Opposing Viewpoints in Context is a good database to use. As you explore databases, you will find the ones that are most helpful for your research assignments. When you have located an article in a database, click on the title to access more information about the article. It's important to read the article's summary or abstract to determine if the article will help you with your research. The database will give you several options for viewing the article, either HTML or PDF format, as well as tools for working with the article such as printing, emailing, saving, and more. This concludes the tutorial on using databases. If you still have questions, please contact a librarian.